So just principles of equality, but just generally solving an equation, I would be looking first for any distribution, and we got two sets of it like this. All right. Now again, this is a review, so I am going to kind of speed through this. So I got 7 times x, which is 7x, and then 7 times, that's a positive 7, would be 49. And then over here we're distributing in 8. 8 times x is 8x, and then 8 times positive 8 would be positive 64. So again, I rewrite my new equation like this. That's a positive 7x, and then just got the minus 6 right there. Now that I've done the distribution, I would be looking for any like terms that I could combine. And on the left side, we got the negative 2x and the 7x, which would give me 5x's. On the right side, we got 64 minus 6, which would be positive 58. So my new expression now, 5x plus 49 equals 8x plus 58. And we end up with an equation like the one that we saw a couple problems ago, where we've got to isolate the x's first. Now, just for the sake of time, I'm going to do 2 steps in one, which I hope you guys would kind of feel comfortable doing, right? Because I'm maintaining equality, and I'm only combining the like terms. Just on this particular problem, and I am doing this on purpose, I'm putting the x's on the right side of the equal sign, only to maintain a coefficient that is positive of x. So that means I don't want the 5x there. I got to zero it out by subtracting 5x from both sides. Now, before we would have done this in 2 steps, but like I said, I'm going to do it in 1 step now. I've got the positive 58 there in purple, which is on the wrong side of the equal sign as well. So I'm going to zero it out by subtracting 58 from both sides also. Now what this gives me is I got the 3x there. I got 49 minus 58, which I believe is negative 9. And then these two parts at the same time, we simultaneously zero those out, which again saves us a little bit of time and a little bit of space on that. The last thing I would want to do is to make the coefficient of x1 by dividing both sides by the coefficient, which is 3, and negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. I kept the coefficient of x positive, which is going to be, I think it's kind of crucial in the next, I think it's the next unit, where we're not dealing with equalities anymore, but they're inequalities. And when you have negatives, they can really throw you off. So if we can start forcing the coefficients to be positive right now, we'll be in good shape. Not that it's a requirement, because there's still rules that we can follow for that as well. I'm not going to check this problem just because for the sake of time, but you should check it. Okay.